The second point that you made there, and I do like it, is that is the certification stuff that's coming out. And look, this is kind of like quantum computing, where there's a lot of stuff happening in within AI and within models that even the people who programmed it don't understand, right? So if you're thinking that you're going to like take a 5 day boot camp and all of a sudden be an expert in artificial intelligence, even the experts in artificial intelligence aren't experts in artificial intelligence at this point.
Then
So that's
welcome to
another.
Isaka, I think is what you meant.
So I mean, but what I am saying is like, welcome to the world of quick certifications for something that's not truly understood yet. Not saying that we're ever going to understand it. And to be fair, we don't necessarily 100% radio frequency and RF and how that works, right? But we still have
Ghosts.
Wi-Fi we saw that's right. We still have
Oh,
Wi-Fi certifications. We still have RF capability certifications that you can get. Ham radio operators have certifications. Engineers have certifications in RF. So it's important to kind of like make sure we're looking at that nuance, but at the same time, we need to make sure. Again, we need to make sure that I can't tell you how many people I've seen on LinkedIn, colleagues who all of a sudden are AI experts, and I'm like,
oh yeah, or AI developers when
AI
really it's like you wrote
developers
an
or
agent.
yeah, or whatever it is. And don't get me wrong, if you've done those things, sure, that's something that should go on your resume or something on your CV or whatever it is, in order to show that you can do this, right? And I think that's something that always gets lost in everything, right? Where it's when you talk about your experience and what you're capable of, those things don't always translate properly unless you make them translate with verbal ninjutsu, right? Sometimes you have to say like, I can learn to do the things because I technically have done this before, and therefore I will be able to do this. If you put me in front of it, and it'll take me maybe a couple of hours to figure out, but I'll get it and we'll do it, right? And we kind of see that in cybersecurity a lot, especially on the GRC side, where it's like, whoa, have you ever done a NERC SIP though? Like, well, you don't know. It's like, yeah, but cyber is cyber. Like, I can probably learn an industry standard pretty quickly, if you give me the option to. I know we're gonna have a bunch of people in the cybersecurity energy field who are going to probably flame me for saying this, but
That's all right. The
I,
boomers are coming for me first.
I think it's true. Anyway, so that's my 2 cents on it. Yes, computer programming for sure, something that we do all the time. Everybody can do it. Everybody can do it now. The nuance here is that, can we all do it securely, and can we do it bug free, and can we do it without somebody else stealing our code? Those are all really great and legitimate questions to ask when using AI.